In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn to watch Netflix. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to note that using a VPN to access Netflix libraries in other regions may violate Netflix's terms of use. This content is for educational purposes only, and it's imperative to always use VPN services responsibly. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Nordvpn app on your device. If you haven't installed it already, remember to download it from an official app store to ensure the version is secure and up to date. Once you've got the app open on your device, you'll be prompted to sign in with your email and password. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly to gain access. With the Nordvpn app open and you logged in, the next step is to connect to a country server. Nordvpn has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate through different server options. You can choose to either tap Quick Connect, which will automatically connect you to the best server available, or you might want to connect to a specific server if you have a particular country's Netflix library in mind. If you're choosing a specific country server, NordVPN provides a couple of easy ways to do so. You can either simply click on the country from the map view on the app, or you can use the search bar to find one. Once you've picked your desired server, go ahead and connect. This will change your IP address so it appears as though you're browsing from that selected country. Now that you're connected, it's time to shift our attention to Netflix. Head over to netflix.com or open the Netflix app on your device. Here's a quick tip. If you had Netflix running in the background before you connected to NordVPN, you'll want to refresh the web page or restart the app entirely, ensuring it recognizes your new virtual location. With everything set up, you're all ready to start exploring and watching the content that's available to that specific country. NordVPN opens up a whole world of entertainment possibilities, but remember to enjoy it responsibly. Whether you're diving into foreign films or catching up on popular international series, the NordVPN app is your gateway to a broader Netflix experience. That wraps up our tutorial on how to use NordVPN to watch Netflix. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.